Let's learn photo manipulation for beginners today. Follow the document size for high quality result. Now let's create it. Let's embed the image. Go to the file, click on the place embedded. Let's adjust it now. You can find the image link in the provided description below. We will select the subject. Click on the layer mask. Then embed the book. Go to the file, click on the place embedded. Click on the book. Let's adjust it now. Right click, click on the warp. Adjust it again. Then we have to add the layer mask to it. Select the brush tool and remember the foreground color must be black. Start erasing the edges. Keep doing it until and unless you satisfied yourself. Let's select the subject layer mask now. Well, start erasing these extra areas. Select both of the layers and then group it. After that, let's add a black and white adjustment layer to it. Create it as a clip and mask. You can play with the reds anytime. I can still see some issues. Let's fix it. These are the issues which are created. Select the subject layer mask. Start erasing the extra areas. Well, there you go with the result. If you want to learn more about the Photoshop tips and tricks, click on the right side tutorial. It will really help you. Thank you.